Hi, today we're going to be taking a look at a brand new product from GearBest, the Alfawise A6 robot vacuum and mop. And let's take a look at what's inside the box here. Let's open the box and I'll show you what's inside the box. And we'll get an English manual here. This is an English manual. And let me just bring out everything inside the box and I'll be okay. Out of the box you will get the Alfawise robot. This is the charging base. This is the virtual wall here. This is you'll get a remote. If you look at the charging base, you have a small screen here. And I think this is where you'll schedule. This is where you schedule the robot to clean. You can use this to schedule. And you also get an extra HEPA filter. This is the battery. This robot's battery came in detached, so you'll have to put this in, and I'll show you later on how to do that. And this is the mop bracket that you'll attach on the robot. I'm not sure that whether you can. Oh yeah, you can put water inside the mop here, so you can use this robot to vacuum and mop at the same time. And it also comes with an English manual here. It comes with an English manual. And let's look underneath the robot and see how it is. This is how it looks like underneath. It has two side brushes here, and it has a motorized brush. Just take this off here and show you the motorized brush. And this thing pops out here. And this is the motorized brush of the ILIFE. It's a bit soft, on the soft side. The bristles are on the soft side, so it will be interesting to see how this will do picking up, doing when I do the cleaning test later on. Let me just put this back in. And it also comes with this is the bin of the robot here. And to remove the bin, let's put in the battery. To remove the bin, just press this button here, pull it out. This is the bin of the robot here, and you'll see that the filter is in here. HEPA filters in here, and we'll see later on how this thing does. And let's just attach the battery and give this robot a test. The batteries, I've read the manual, and the batteries are attached here inside this slot here. And to slide in to put in the batteries, make sure that these contact points are facing down, are attached here inside. And let's just slide the battery in. See how it fits. Okay, there goes the battery. Oh yeah, let me just show you the cleaning brush here. It's attached here underneath this slot here has a slot for the cleaning brush. This is the cleaning brush for the brush roll. And let's try to put it back in. Okay, and let's attach the bin again here. The bin here. Let's attach the. Okay, let's look at the remote here. The remote doesn't have any screen on. It just has the directional buttons, start and stop, and the different cleaning modes. And it uses a small battery here. Looks like this battery looks like it's a CR2026 L battery. It's a round battery here. So the good thing is Alfawise provided the battery, so you don't have to buy one. The virtual wall. Let's look at the virtual wall. The virtual wall comes with two AA batteries, and we'll also test this out in subsequent videos. And it also comes with one extra side brush and an extra mop here. I just want to show you the charging dock here. If you look at the charging dock, you'll see that it has this is the screen, and this is where you'll plug in the adapter here, and it has slots where you can tidy up the cord here. It has clips here, and this part is a brush cleaning tool. I've noticed that this is a brush cleaning tool, and I haven't tested it out, but I will do so when after I do the cleaning test. One more thing, this robot has a round plug here, so you may need to use an adapter. Now we're ready to start the cleaning test. Let me just start the robot here. stopped the robot. It cleaned most of the powder and oats scattered on the floor. And then let's give a quick visual of the result here. It actually did a pretty good job here, and it cleaned up most of the dirt over there in the edge. It did leave some on the corner there near the door. For the most part, it cleaned most of the oats and powder I scattered. It's around 45 grams. I scattered around 45 grams of oats and powder. And let's see the bin. Okay, let's look at the bin of this robot, see how much it picked up. And you can see that I was able to pick up quite a lot of dirt here. Look at the bin. I was able to most of the dirt is inside the bin. Actually, all of the dirt's inside. And let's open this and see how much dirt it actually picked up. Okay, to empty the bin, you just have to press this lever here, and let's just open the weighing scale and see how much dirt it picked up. And let's just open the bin here, just see how much it was able to pick up. Let's just take off the primary filter here. It's able to pick up roughly around 41 grams out of the 45 grams I scattered on the floor, which is pretty good. And overall cleaning performance, it was good. The brush roll did a good job, at least on bare floor, in picking up the oats and powder I scattered. It picked up a majority of it, 41 out of the 45 grams. But navigation, it isn't as refined as an ILIFE. Edge cleaning is almost non-existent. And I'll do more tests. I'll do a separate cleaning test for this, where I'll ask it to clean more oats and powder, and we'll see how it does there. But for now, the downsides are it bumps into objects very often, and if you have furniture that's easily scratched, this robot I wouldn't recommend this robot because of that. And again, if you have any questions about the Alfawise, please comment below, and thanks again for watching.